Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the quick and easiest way to verify your PayPal account. So if you are new to PayPal and you would like to verify your account, maybe someone sent you money and it says you need to verify your account, there are 3 simple steps. So the first one is to register as usual. They will need your ID number, things like that, like your personal information. And then they will be sending you a confirmation email, right? And then they'll say email verified, right? And then you will have to now go to the settings and set up your 2 authentication step, maybe. If you'd like to receive an SMS, like an OTP, whenever you log in, just for safety reasons, you will need to activate that. Okay, now the third step is take your bank card, right? For example, if you are from South Africa, take your local bank card and add your card somewhere on the settings or under payments. You add your card information, that is your card number, CVV number, the 3 digits at the back of your card. And you will need also your expiring date of your bank card, right? Once you've done that, what's going to happen is you're going to receive a transaction in your account. So usually they charge like $1 or $2, which is between 32 rands and something like that. Make sure you have a minimum of 50 rands in that account. Okay? So once that has been done, you are going to log in. It may take up to 72 hours depending on the bank that you're using. Once you've done that, check your bank statement or your banking app and look for a foreign transaction. So usually it'll come into 2. First one will be $1 and the other one will be like $0.50, just to confirm, right? On the description or on the reference of the transaction, you will see 4 digits at the end. Take those 4 digits, copy and paste onto the PayPal platform where you inserted your card information. So it'll say insert code, verification code or something like that. That's where you are going to add that code, right? Once you've added the code, now your PayPal is now verified, meaning you can do transactions, you can do business with PayPal. They know that even if you rob someone, they know where to find you. They will have your ID number, your address, remember, and they will also have your banking details. Meaning, if you owe someone or you rob someone via PayPal, they are able to minus the amount in your account. So that is why it's very important for them, for each and every person, to be verified. And that is all for today. If you'd like to ask any question or you'd like for us to make a video for a certain question or a query or any tutorial that you would like for me to explain to you, please do not forget to comment on the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share our content and help us grow and just motivate us to do more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.